Ashton has the hiccups. Oh, do you have the hiccups, poor baby? Hiccup? Hiccup? Oh. Poor guy. Are you hungry? Hiccup? Say, save me! Save me from the hiccups. Oh. Poor baby. Oh, okay. We're gonna go eat now.